In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an automation in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful productivity platform designed to help teams and individuals manage their tasks, projects, and workflows all in one place. Sometimes, you may need to remove an automation that's no longer relevant or helpful to your processes, and that's exactly what we'll be walking through today. If you're new to ClickUp, don't worry. This tutorial is beginner-friendly and will guide you step by step to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. To begin, open up your internet browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred method. This could be your email and password, a single sign-on option, or even a connected social account. Choose whichever method works best for you. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is especially important if you're part of multiple workspaces within ClickUp. Check the workspace name at the top of your screen to confirm you're in the right one. Now navigate to the specific space folder or list that contains the automation you want to delete. Think of this as locating the area where the automation is actively tied to your tasks or processes. Once you're in the right place, you'll notice a lightning bolt icon labeled Automate in the upper right section of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. A panel will slide open, and you'll see a variety of automation-related options. From this panel, select Manage Automations. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can see all the active automations for the selected area. In the Manage tab, review the list of active automations. Take a moment to carefully identify the automation you want to delete. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over that specific automation. When you do this, a trash bin icon will appear next to it. Click on the trash bin icon to initiate the deletion process. At this point, a confirmation prompt will pop up on your screen. This is to ensure you don't accidentally delete something important. Read the prompt carefully to make sure you're deleting the correct automation. If everything looks good, click Delete to confirm your choice. The automation will then be permanently removed from your ClickUp setup. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an automation in ClickUp. If you don't already have a ClickUp account and want to explore its automation features, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.